tracing. Basically, the tracing, the cookies is not the important point. Is one of the point is there is a small images that allows the user to download, so that when you download that, I can record all things about it. What is their IP, what is their browser operating system type based on user agent string. Now, what is more is when we use cookie, then I can inject a cookies to recognize whether this guy is a new guy coming into my system. Then I plan that cookies, I make it the expiry time as far as possible, so that I know who that guy is and when he come back. Now, we have some point of discussions. So the first point of discussion is, well, can anybody know who you are actually? If, let's say, we implement something like this, can we? Or if I should say that if I want to know who you are, is this technique suffice to do it? Or you need something more? Yeah. What do you think? Let's say the way I trace you, okay, which is not possible, but let's imagine, okay? I can trace you and associate something with your Google profile. Okay, let's assume we can do it, okay, which is not possible. Then I know who you are, right? Because I can trace you and then associate the tracing program with tracing the cookies with the Google profile. Then I know who you are. But if it's not that way, let's say that it's not going through some login mechanism, then I don't know who you are, right? So now, then you can think of it for what if the firm, the company that want to trace you is really Google, okay? It's really Google. So Google, how Google trace you? Basically, it's ask people to use Google Analytics, okay? And then they plan their cookies onto the browser. So what are the cookies that belongs to the Google Analytics? You can take a look at which one. Okay, so shamelessly go to my homepage. Yeah, I use Google Analytics. Okay, so first cover this guy. Okay, I know you don't want to see it. Okay, delete. Okay, good. So the face is gone. Yeah. So let's take a look at the resource part, the cookies, YouTube. Okay, so these guys. So the guys usually are with underscore UTM, ABC, sometimes it's said, okay? They are all belongs to the Google Analytics, okay? Google Analytics use these names, okay? So actually I can search this site for you. Google has an explanation site to talk about what are the cookies that are being used by Google Analytics, okay? So, and others like, I don't know whether you have the experience or not. The experience is like this. Don't look at my profile, okay? You Google a site, okay? And I don't know what you have done over the site, okay? You just go there and then later you watch YouTube. And you know YouTube has advertisement at the bottom. That banner just shows the site that you have just visit or you visit some time ago. How many of you have this experience? No one? No, usually I just random, only you, okay? Others are just random advertisement. Okay, advertisement that you are not interested in. Okay? Well, Google actually use another means to trace you. They use AdWord. Okay? Do you know what's AdWord? Okay, then if you don't know AdWord, okay, I again go to some dangerous sites. Okay? When you go to dangerous sites, remember to use this. Okay? So dangerous site is called Hong Kong Golden. Yeah, I'm not member. What? No, of course not. Not member. Okay? So there must be, yeah, this is Okay, this is the AdSense. Okay, not AdWords. Sorry. You can take a look at this here. It's a Google provided advertisement. Okay, so Google actually inject those kind of things. Now imagine what. But don't look at the typo. Okay, I know you're reading. Okay, yeah. Let's imagine that this kind of Google advertisement is all around this internet. Okay, seems to be harmless, but actually when you load it, they just plan cookies, or they know that you are a returning user, and the next site you go usually may have AdWord AdSense. Here it is AdSense. Okay, AdSense again. Let's say I go to this page and go to the next page. Maybe what page have Google? Maybe Apple Daily. Okay, Apple Daily has Google advertisement. Okay, so then you go to Apple Daily, then you load another AdSense. Google look up your cookies and know that that's you. Okay, and associate your Google profile with the path that you walk through the internet. So actually, Google actually know when you wake up, when you first boot your computer, after you go to boot the computer, you went to the sites that you're going, and what is the routes that you go through in the internet, and of course who you are. And that's why they can give you some advertisement for you. Okay, so there's one way. Another way, how many of you have heard of the keyword called retargeting retargeting advertisement? No. Am I going to the wrong class? Retargeting ad. No one have heard of it? Retargeting marketing or ads. Never heard of it? Okay. I try. Okay? So these are the ads, right? These are the ads from Facebook, okay? So I go to some place, okay? Let me think about who will pay for. Okay, so let's try. Amazon. I go to Wilson Books. Wow. See what I search? I usually search these guys. C++, computer architecture. Okay. Let's choose I don't know what I typed. I'll just click. Okay. What happened? Okay. So let's click this one. Yeah. This one. I want to buy C++ programming language. Let's see. Okay. So just click through it. Okay. Just click through it. Go in there and quit, and then stop and will. Is it a Amazon? No. Will. Ayah. No. Once upon a time, it is very fast. Okay. Or maybe this be crazy pay Facebook a lot. Okay. Hide it. Okay. It is a spam. Okay. Low. Again. Ayah. No. Why? Confirm? No. Hey, I want advertisement. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Maybe later I saw that advertisement. I posted to you. Okay, I posted on the Facebook group. Okay.
You can talk to the Facebook team so that they can give you tons of advertisements.
Really? Oh, let me message Billy. Okay. I want ad. Give me ad. Well, this time it's more people. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so this is the retargeting. Okay, so what is retargeting? Maybe I try once more. Okay, close it. Facebook, load it again. What's that? Games. Okay, yeah, forget about it. Okay, I remember there's one time that I go to want to buy a book. Okay, then I give it up, okay? Maybe the key is I put it in the shopping cart and don't pay it, okay? So I put it in the shopping cart and don't pay it, and then they keep on bugging me, saying that, yeah, please buy it in a Facebook ad field, okay? So how Facebook can do it? Do you feel that if that's the case, it's very horrible? Yeah, but how? How? Okay? So I don't display it because of course you have to be a very big site so that it is working. Now first of all, let's say this is Amazon. Well, don't come. Okay, so this is Amazon. This not Adrian, sorry, Amazon. This Amazon. So Amazon pay Facebook for advertisement. Okay, so then Amazon page will have a little JavaScript or some, let's say, images. Okay, so that when you load this little program, you will tell Facebook that, hey, this is me. I am Facebook profile 1234. Okay? I am Facebook profile 1234. Tells Facebook. Okay, Facebook sorry, FX, okay. So call Facebook that yeah, I just visited that site. So that Facebook has a record that you go there. It's because put it there, and later when you come back, because you are using the same credential to go back to the Facebook page, then you will see the advertisement. Okay, so it's called retargeting. Okay, let's see. For the last time, I want advertisement. Give me. What? Come here. Okay, I surrender. Okay, I try one last time. This is not this site. Okay, another one. I remember this is very optimizedly. Okay, I visit optimizedly, immediately I receive it. Okay, let's see whether it is. Okay, I go to optimizedly, do some browsing, go to Facebook. Coffee. Okay, I don't want it. Okay, no. No. No, those are pages. Okay, so maybe you try. Okay, once I see the S, I tell you. Okay, now they are also using cookies, and you saw so many cases that using cookies to kind of trace you. Okay, so the bottom questions will be second one. Okay, not bottom. Okay, the second bottom of the questions will be of your interest. Is it legal? It's legal to do this, okay? Or I should say, in Hong Kong, no one cares, okay? Because our government don't know what is technology, okay? Yeah. You ask our CY learning, he will say yes, I know. Okay, actually, he don't know, okay? Now, no one cares, but in somewhere in the world, they care. Somewhere in the world, where is cookie law? See? Where? Europe. They care. There is a law passed several years ago. They call it cookie law, and who passed it is EU, okay, European Union, okay, and that's why nowadays when you go to some sites, you should see, this banner. This banner. You seldom see it several years ago, okay? But when you want to set up sites, branches, or domain on EU, of course at NBA.com have many people to see it, okay? They may be hosting server in Europe. Then they have to say something like this. We are using cookies. Do you want me to trace you? Okay, so this is the law. And this law doesn't affect US company, so you won't see Facebook popping up this and say that I'm using cookies. Okay, do you want me to be targeting some ad? Okay, they don't do it. Okay, but some company will. So Facebook already doing something like this. Okay, but not so explicit. Can you see this? Wow. No No one take a look at this, right? Let's take a look. Take a look and click. And unlike the NBA.com show the banner telling you that, yeah, we want to trace you, okay, you accept it. Usually you won't click it, okay? You will click cross. Facebook don't tell you and tracing you silently, and they have an obligation to tell you that, hey, we are using cookies, okay? And what are the cookies and the technology that you are using, and they have explanation. Yeah, those are bullshits, okay? Yeah, authentication, I know, and yeah, they don't tell you secret. They don't tell you all the mechanism, okay? And yeah, but Google tell you more. Google cookies. Okay, they have a video to explain what are the cookies that we have used to trace you, and they also give you the names. I remember. It should be the names is also up here. Let me search Google cookies __ UTMA. Okay. Should be a site hosted by Google explaining all the cookies. Yeah, this is the page. Okay, so Google Analytics has being very responsible, telling you that I'm using such a JavaScript file to start tracing you, and this JavaScript file will eventually plan cookies with expiration time 2 years for a specific purpose, and others there's a 2 years, there's 10 minutes, 30 minutes, so on and so forth. Okay, so this is because of the law passed by the European Union. They tell the companies that, hey, if you want to comply with the law, please explain everything, that why you use cookies and what are the cookies that you're using, what is the usage. Google do more. Google tell you the names, okay, and you are welcome to delete something, okay, as long as you know what are they. Okay, so that's why later on I told you I would disclose how Google Analytics works. Actually, I don't need to do any reverse engineering. I just find the features here and tell you. Okay. So this is about cookies and the tracing, retargeting, advertisement, so on and so forth. Okay. Oh, by the way, you can. If you have time, you have money to spend, you can try doing retargeting. Okay. Last but not least, are they harmful? Are they harmful? What is the meaning of harmful? Harmful may be just some people telling you that, oh, you click on it and you download Trojan or something like that. Okay. But planning some cookies, I will say that they cannot do real harm to you, okay? But something passive, like you go to some pornography sites, okay? Let's say, okay? Yeah, don't lie to me. Some people will do it, okay? You go to some pornography sites, and those cookies are being planned on your browser. And on one day, you are doing FYP presentation, and you go to your browser. So happen that there is an ad that will read that cookies, then will show you some interesting advertisement. Okay? Yeah, I heard that there were some professor, not me, okay, has tried this, okay, in front of the class, okay, and go to some sites and whoop, there is a very attractive woman without something, you understand? Okay, so very horrible. Okay, so later on we'll also talk about the use of other storage, like local storage, session storage, okay, but not so early. Okay, we'll be close to the end of this course talking about the storage. You know, cookies is a type of storage, but you cannot say that, oh, save a file on the cookies, okay, well, which is forbidden because of one restriction. The restriction doesn't come with the browser, it's coming from the server. You know, when people want to give you cookies, it will send you in terms of a response header. And the response header actually has a length limit, okay? Default limit is around 8K, okay? Around 8K, so that means that you cannot send huge data using cookies, okay? So we need something else. Later I will explore. All right. So these two guys are using JavaScript. All right. Then I can stop. For the persistent cookies, if you want to know more, you can visit the later sites. Okay. And there is some projects try to do the following. Okay. Cookies is very easy to remove. Okay. Just a Chrome extension, then you can remove it. There are people invent some even more evil tricks in order to plan information on your browser. Okay, now I'm sacrificing my privacy. I click on it. Okay. Okay. So this called every cookie, never forget, and it's a very old stuff. Okay. That guy put on the GitHub as well. So one of the things that they plan on your browser, okay, they will inject many things like so when I click it, okay, they will plan the following things: all the HTML5 related storage, even Silverlight if I have. Yeah, of course I don't have. It should be some Flash. They delete Flash. Flash cookie. Okay. Wait. Okay, so it's also store something on the Flash. Okay, so when I click on it, that guy will save some information in all the things that we have. Okay, so if you want to do some tracing, which don't want the user to forget, okay, you can try fork this this guy with this project. Okay, fork this project. Okay, so go ahead. Okay, so this is it. This is about the cookie part. So any question you want to ask or any strange things you have